Imagine this, you're scrolling through social media and you see it. A brand new smartphone, or maybe that high end tablet everyone is talking about at 80% off. It looks official. The site is clean. You hit add to cart. But wait, before you even pay, a box pops up. Enter your phone number and email for an extra 10% discount. You type it in. You hit continue. And just like that, they have you. Welcome to Cyber Alert. Today I'm showing you the truth about how attackers actually operate today. Most people think hacking is about a genius sitting in a dark room, cracking a password in seconds. It's not. Real attacks are about a puzzle, and you are the one giving them the pieces. This is called reconnaissance. Before an attacker goes after your bank account, they build your profile. They want to know who you are, what you're interested in, and how to reach you. Some fake or malicious websites are designed for one thing: data harvesting. They don't care about your money for a cheap gadget. They care about your name, your home address, and your active phone number. Why? Because once they have your number, they can move to phase 2, the panic attack. 10 minutes after you leave that website, you get a message. Urgent. Your order has a shipping error. Click here to verify. Because you were just on that site, your brain trusts the message. You click, and you just handed over access to more of your digital life. Here is the golden rule. Information is the new gold. Do not share it unnecessarily. If a website you've never heard of asks for your phone number just to see a price, close the tab. If an ad offers a deal that feels impossible, it is a trap. You should only share your personal details when it is 100% official, absolutely required, and fully verified. In today's world, being stingy with your data is the only way to stay safe. Stop being an open book for criminals. Start guarding your data. If you want to stay ahead of these threats, hit that subscribe button and join the community. This is Cyber Alert. Stay alert. Stay secure.